Model, 2020 Volkswagen Crafter Startline CR35 140PS 2.0TDI 4M long wheelbase, flatbed chassis cab. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,895. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 140PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner. The engine has been removed and the cylinder head taken off. All of the parts are on the back of the pickup. Nothing is missing. Ideally wants a replacement engine put in. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro